point, we're going to add something to this post. So I want to click, we want to open the post and view the comments. So let's go ahead and do that first. In here, we can, let's go to our item, the views Livewire post item. In our item, we have this on click Livewire dispatch open model. We can simply copy this whole attribute, copy that, go to explore. In the explore, let's add this to this list down here, paste it. Now, since this is taking the post attribute, we don't need to change anything since we're already looping through post as post. So now if we go, now if we click on this post, you see we're now opening the post and we can actually leave new comments. All right, now we can close this. Here, we want to do something like a quick update to our video component, because at this point, we just want to have a new kind of look on the videos such that we can hide these controls when it is on the explore page. So let's go back to our code. In here, let's close everything but this explore blade, close others. And now let's open the video. Here, views, components, videos. In here, in the props, let's add 2 more props. Controls, true. And then next we have the cover, which by default will be false. Now for the controls here, after this video element, the rest is just the controls, which is mute, unmute, play, pause. So you can simply wrap all this in an if statement. If controls is true, then we can show these controls. All right, so now let's go back to our Explorer. In here, in our video, here let's add an attribute. Let's add the full colon. The controls, make this to false. Look, at this point, if you go back and refresh, awesome. Now you see that the controls, the play pause has now disappeared. If we click here, we're gonna simply open this post comments directly. Now, one last thing is that we added a cover option. So now if you want to change the view for these posts, we can simply go back in here. Let's go to our video. In our video, we can go to this video class. Let's just collapse this down here. Here, after the width, we can simply add some open brackets. So let's say if cover is equal to true, question mark. Here, let's add object cover to the video class, or else don't add anything. So now after adding that, we can go back to explore. Here in the video, let's add one more attribute. Let's call this one cover true. Now if we go and refresh, all right, awesome. Now you can see our videos and our posts are now showing with the cover, which is looking much better. So we can add more on this, but this is just a basic way of how the actual Instagram looks like. If you check out the actual Instagram, this is how the explore page looks like. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.